Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily uninstall an application from your Android device. Please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put likes, and also write comments after watching the video. So, let us get down to our topic. If you want to uninstall some app on Android, then you need to find it on the desktop screen, tap on it, and hold it down. And as you can see, here you get two functions: remove and install. So, if you tap remove, then that will just remove the app from the desktop screen. But if you swipe up, or if you do it the other way around on your Android, you have to swipe like this to go to all the apps that you've downloaded to your phone. So if you swipe up here, you can find all the apps that are installed on your phone. And here's the app that I just supposedly uninstalled, but I only uninstalled it from the work screen. But in order to completely uninstall an app, you have to select the install function. And it doesn't matter if you do it immediately or after a while, after you first remove the app just from the work screen. And only in this way the application is completely uninstalled. But there is an application that you cannot uninstall. This is an application that is originally embedded in your phone, for example, settings. You can't delete them, you can only remove them from the work screen or the phone, and so on absolutely all the applications that were originally on your Android phone when you bought it and turned it on. Friends, this is the easy way to remove an app on your Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.